Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm impersonating Nick Jonas for the tote bag contest. I'm 15.
My name is Amber and I'm 18 and I'm impersonating Joe Jonas for the Nick Jonas tote bag contest.
Yo, what's up? We is in the back lounge and the tour bus chilling, doing our thing. Listen.
My name is DC Danger.
That's DC Danger.
Let me tell him, Nick.
Yo.
Some people say it's dangerous to have an umbrella inside.
It's dangerous.
But I'm dangerous. Look at me, sporting a neck pillow.
Neck pillow.
Let me tell him what's up, Nick.
Tell him what's up.
This neck pillow straight from the dome.
It's straight from the dome, yo. You know what else is out? Is our new record's gonna be out. A new record.
Corn Pops, boys.
Corn Pops. Our new album's coming out August 7th.
August 7th.
Make sure you go pick yourself up a copy.
Pick it up.
iTunes, hold on, go now.
Watch me do a flip.